ripping laminate flooring, engineered hardwoods, sometimes you have to rip them thin. What I come up with for doing that is this little riser pad. You cut one strip that has the locking mechanism. You can't see it on this, but it's upside down. That's the underside. You screw one end of it down at the top of your riser. Then you can clip your boards into this, because if you don't have a table saw, and these surfaces are pretty slick, so this is what I came up with, and it works really nice. Lock it in there, it doesn't slide side to side. You can cut it with a circular saw. You lock it in there and it stays. You know, they're one piece like this. You can cut and notch and pop it off. All right. I just cut that side. Holds like a champ. I don't have my stand, but I think this is pretty important, so please forgive the shaky camera. Slide it out. And it looks good. Now I just got to notch it out, cut out that section. When you're cutting laminate flooring with a circular saw, you have to cut it upside down, because if you don't, your surface is going to look terrible. I'm going to clean that up, and then close that gap with my jigsaw. Right there is where it's going to go. Now I just got to pop this in, slide it on under that jamb. I cut that out with a multi-tool. Moment of truth. Let's see how it fits. That'll work.